We've been listening to the sound of his voice all morning. Now let's hear what he's been up to.
Greetings, guys.
Yes, I, Kumar.
I'm here, give thanks, you know.
Yeah, man, glad to see you. So it's Band Wednesday for us, but you're a one-man band now, having come from a band, yes, which is Raging Fire.
Yeah, man.
Just what's it been like transitioning from that group setting to now solo career?
Well, I mean, it hasn't been, you know, the easiest, but I wouldn't say it has been the roughest either, because I'm a determined musician, you know.
Yeah.
I believe in myself, I believe in my craft. So I've been working assiduously, as they would say, you know, for the last 3-4 years. You know, working on new music. I've been touring, still performing all across the oceans. Yeah. So, I mean, it has been a lot of work, but it has also taught me a lot more about myself.
Right. So let me tell you, straight up, Judgment Day is still in a playlist I have. All right. So like that, oh man, that music was amazing stuff. This morning we heard you start off with When the Smoke Clears, and then you did
Grateful.
Grateful.
Yeah.
Right. That career though, this solo career, you've been all around the place. You've been touring, and what's the response been like now?
I've been getting a lot of great responses, especially from my huge fan base in Mauritius, which is the southeastern Pacific, you know, all the way over there beside Africa. Yeah. And I've been getting a whole heap of love from my European massive and, you know, the US massive. So When the Smoke Clears is a song that I did for my son who passed a year and something ago, and I did it on the Overstand label with Winter James. You know, a few other artists on the rhythm, the Gratitude rhythm. You can check that out. And Grateful was released 2 days ago on my birthday.
Brand new thing
with Dino Crazy. Big up Dino Crazy every time. Kuya, you know, weekday and True Ambassador Music. So I'm pushing through, you know, keeping things going.
What can we expect for Christmas into 2023?
Well, I mean, big news. I'll be on a stage in Jamaica 2023 in the morning of January. You know which show, but I'll be there. Keep your ears peeled. Announcement soon. And, you know, I have a US tour heading as well. So right now we're head out to, you know, the US in 2023 plus Europe. So new album is coming as well.
That's when?
When? I'm looking for April. So look out for that.
Nice. And you're going to be taking us out this morning with another track.
With Jah Glory. Jah Glory is one of the songs that I did while I was in Raging Fire. Mm-hmm. Sweet, sweet, sweet vibes. So we have to leave everybody and Smile Jamaica knowing, don't worry. Jah people, don't ever forget. See, we're going to give Jah the glory.
Absolutely. Coming up tomorrow on Smile. Dahlia, what's going on?
Neville and I.
Oh, well, all right. Well, cool. We're done then.
You don't need nothing more.
What's in the one here?
Just.
We take an in-depth look at arbitration and how it can be beneficial. We'll get rid of God.
Oh, no, don't be like that.
And for 10 minutes here, how to cope with holiday stress. We definitely I get rid of God. Anybody holiday stress.
I am a tattoo woman not going anywhere. That's it for Smile today, everybody. A thought, though, a warm smile is the universal language of kindness. So said William Arthur Ward.
All right. Mention, Jared.
We give thanks for life.
Yes, man.
Yeah. We're going to give Jah the glory. If you're heading to work, if you're already at work, just remember to give thanks for your many blessings. You understand? A lot of people didn't wake up this morning. Remember that. And remember, you can't take life for granted. Even if you're down in your valley, won't be for long. See? Check it. On and on, Jah Jah call, yeah, yes, yes. Ooh, ooh. On and on, Jah Jah call, on and all, yeah, yes. Ooh, Jamaica, I said don't worry, people don't you ever forget. Give Jah the glory with every single step that you take now. Yes, I said don't worry, people don't you ever forget. Give Jah the glory with every single breath that you take now. My people don't fuss, my people don't fight. Haile Selassie, some say Jesus Christ. People don't fuss, my people don't fight. Genesis, Revelation, everything right. Yeah, people don't fuss, people don't fight. We should all unite. Oh, don't you fuss, I beg you, people don't fight. Oh, yes. Don't worry, people, don't you ever forget. Give Jah the glory with every single breath that you take. Yeah. said, don't worry, Jamaica, don't you ever forget. Love, oh, love, oh, love. Give God the glory with every single breath that you take now. Oh, we've been down in the valley for a very long time. But don't you know, Jah, he's always on time. And every morning the sun still shine. To your brothers, don't you be unkind. Hurry the scripture, chase the devil away. Oh, Jah, people, don't forget to pray. And as you move along with your day, oh, give thanks in every way. Don't worry, Jamaica, don't you ever forget. Give Jah the glory. I said, don't worry.